Hello dear friends and welcome to my studio. Today is a very special day. I want to invite you to the trip with me in Portugal. I believe you know what my main and favorite subject is the light. And Portugal, just country which made for this. You know why? Because mostly all the buildings white or very bright colors, very light colors. And we see the shadows perfectly. So all the time that I travel to Portugal, I'm enjoying to paint the beautiful view, the ocean, the street, the buildings, the orange roofs. So I'm really enjoy that. And as you can see, it's really beautiful place. And I happy invite you to my workshop here in Portugal in October, starting from October 9 to October 14. Every day we will be together on the breakfast, on the lunch, morning painting, afternoon painting, and in the dinner in the end of the day. So I have a lot of stories to share with you, and we have a beautiful view everywhere around us, and we're going deep inside the watercolor and study different techniques, different color mixing. So most important things, we enjoy the Portugal. So if you have a chance to join me, don't miss it. And I'm preparing the surprise for you. This is the beautiful view. Truly amazing, right? So what we're gonna do, we paint that pretty fast, almost like a sketch. And surprise is no sketching by pencil. We will make the real jazz. We're gonna paint directly on the paper. And one of the main ingredients for this, for freedom to transform our view, our perspective to the watercolor, the main ingredient is the good quality Portuguese wine. That the wine we will enjoy every day in Portugal. So let's go. As you can see, we create the real jazz. No sketch, no plan. We just following the music and our feeling about the subject without to copy the subject itself. About that, how to build your composition, how you mix your colors, how to express yourself and add the emotions inside your painting. All the things we study in our workshop in Portugal this year. And for sure, we always share the good Portuguese wine. If you have a chance, join me. It will be really interesting, sunny trip. Thank you for your time, and I hope see you in Portugal.